Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2024 Case IH 280 Magnum tractor. I'm here in Amboy, Illinois. We just traded this one in along with a twin sister and a couple of other 250s from the same operation. Trade with these guys every year. We've been very, very happy to have them as loyal customers, and they have excellent products every time we get them in. They're very well maintained. They don't abuse them. They're just very, very square. The specs on this machine you can find in the service log on the website, and just click on that and you'll see exactly how it was ordered. I tell you, the 18450 rears, again, the condition of the rubber is fine. This thing's got about 400 hours. The unit's got 5 valves, rear weights. This is 1000 PTO. It's got a set of front weights. Also, you can see those. The paint, very, very nice. Cab inside, very clean. Of course, it's got the 1200 monitor. Warranty should be 2 years on this one, or it was originally sold at 2 years, so it's got a year of original warranty left, and it would qualify for an extended program for essentially no charge. Just to fire it up. Whoop! A little bit cold today here in Amboy. But nice running tractor. I don't think you'd be displeased with this one at all if you come look at it. We'll see if we can get it to go straight back into reverse. Yep. Give us a holler. Come on over to Amboy. We appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.